Hi parents! Do you ever wonder why your child has meltdowns when you take away their video games? The reason may not be what you think. When you take away your child's video games, this can cause them a moment of sadness. And because they are young, their prefrontal cortex is not yet developed. The prefrontal cortex, which is the front part of the brain, is what is used to control emotions and regulate impulse control. Because your child is still young, this part of the brain is still developing, and so when your child gets sad, it can cause a meltdown. To stop meltdowns from happening, you can start by setting up gaming hours, when during the day your child can play video games, and time limits. How long can your child play video games per day? Once these time limits have been set up for a while, your child will have less and less meltdowns. If you need any help setting up time limits, I have a guide on the Growing Gamer Guide website, link in the description. Please follow and subscribe for more video game parenting tips, and if you need any help, reach out to the Growing Gamer Guide in the comments, direct messages, or at the Growing Gamer Guide website.